Good morning class. How are you? Fine students. Students, yesterday we complete our chapter and today we will discuss about our exercise solution. Okay? Open your book and see at page number B38. Page B38. Read your first question. Pick the correct answer. Okay beta? You read your first question. Let's answer. Pick the correct answer. Your first question is, what do we need to breathe? What do we need to breathe? हमें ब्रीथिंग करने के लिए क्या नीड होती है बेटा? वाटर, एयर, मिल्क, none of these. We need air for the breathing. Simple answer. Tick at the air. Okay. Second question. Which of the following gases supports burning? In which following gases supports burning? Without option, we know very well oxygen always supports the burning. So here correct answer is the oxygen. Number 3. Space shuttles orbiting. स्पेस शटल ऑर्बिट्स बेटा कहाँ होती है? ट्रोपोस्फेयर, स्ट्रेटोस्फेयर, मीसोस्फेयर एंड थर्मोस्फेयर. या वेरी गुड. करेक्ट आंसर इज द थर्मोस्फेयर. फोर्थ बेटा, द रेट ऑफ सेडिमेंटेशन कैन बी इम्प्रूव्ड बाय एडिंग. जो सेडिमेंटेशन रेट है और प्रोसेस था उनकी रेट को इंक्रीज करना. दैट प्रोसेस नेम इज लोडिंग. We add alum, then loading process occur. So here correct answer is the alum. Fifth question is beta, which of the following method is used to get the purest form of the water? Simple question. In what method we get the purest form of water? That is distillation. So here correct answer is the distillation. Distillation. Here correct answer is the distillation. Simple beta. Okay, very good. Now come to the second question. That question name is fill in the blanks. Come to the second part of question B. Fill in the blanks. In fill in the blanks, first question answer is, read first. Air exerts, fill in the blanks, pressure and weight. Air exerts always pressure. Air exerts always pressure. It is a property of air. In chapter discussion we completely discuss it. Ozone layer lies in the fill in the blanks, stratosphere or troposphere. Very good. Ozone layer always lies in the stratosphere. Third fill in the blanks is beta, fill in the blanks impurities can be removed by evaporation. In yesterday video we will discuss evaporation method is used for the soluble impurities. So here evaporation. Soluble. Fourth beta, in exosphere air is very thin. And in fifth question, distilled water is used in car. आपका जो distilled water है we use car batteries, home batteries, inverter batteries as like. So here we use battery. Okay beta, this is the answer of question number B and this is answer of the question number A. Okay, now separate it from the question number C. Question number C means it beta, name the following. Name the following. You have to write the names. First of all, name the gas used in fire extinguisher. Simply we use carbon dioxide in the fire extinguisher. So here correct answer of the first question is carbon dioxide beta. What is the correct answer is carbon dioxide. Second answer is the first layer above the earth's surface. First layer is troposphere. Simple. First layer is the ट्रोपोस्फियर। थर्ड बेटा, two methods used for removing soluble impurities. First is evaporation, that will be done in fill in the blanks. Evaporation. And the second is your distillation. Fourth beta, the simplest way of purifying drinking water. What is the simplest way to purify the drinking water? That is distillation or boiling. Beta, boiling. Boiling is the simplest way. Distillation is done in the laboratories, but boiling is done in our home. Okay, so it is a simplest method. Name two diseases that is caused by the dirty water. Jaundice and cholera. Jaundice and cholera. Jaundice and cholera. Okay beta, in this way we complete the question number third. We complete question number third, C part. Now come to the D part. Name the following question. Okay, name the following question. Question number D. First question. Question number D. Answer of the first question. Read the first question in your book. What is atmosphere? Give its importance. Beta, first of all you have to define atmosphere. What is atmosphere? Atmosphere is a blanket of air. It means you can write here a blanket of air. Okay, a blanket of air that surrounds the earth. That surround the earth is called atmosphere. ओके, ए ब्लैंकेट ऑफ एयर, आपका ब्लैंकेट ऑफ एयर होता है जो अर्थ के सराउंड होता है, इसको आप क्या कहते हो बेटा? एटमॉस्फेयर कहते हो. एंड व्हाट आर द यूजेस ऑफ एटमॉस्फेयर? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इट प्रोटेक्ट अस फ्रॉम द हार्मफुल अल्ट्रावायलेट रेज ऑफ द सन. हियर यू कैन राइट द हार्मफुल इफेक्ट्स. वेट बेटा, 1 minute वेट, आई रीड योर क्वेश्चन. गिव इट्स इंपोर्टेंस. In next line you write here importance of atmosphere. Heading बनाइए. Okay, in this heading we write the first importance of the atmosphere. What is the first importance of the atmosphere? It protects us from meteoroids. It protects us from the meteoroids. ओके बेटा, ये आपको किससे सेव करती हैं? मेटेरॉइड से आपको बचाती है. सेकंड, इट प्रोटेक्ट अस फ्रॉम the harmful radiation that comes from sun. Okay बेटा, second importance. थर्ड बेटा, अब ये 2 ही नोट कर सकते हो बेटा, ठीक है, आपके लिए 2 सफिशिएंट है. फिर आपसे हम नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन रीड कराते हैं बेटा. रीड योर सेकंड क्वेश्चन. राइट डाउन द प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ एयर. व्हाट आर द प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ एयर? यू कैन सी हियर. ओके, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी रब इट, देन वी डू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. First of all, we rub it. Read your second question. What are the properties of air? And find the answer of that question in your book. Okay. Now write the answer of the second question. We divide the board in two parts. Here, answer of second question. The main properties of air are. आपकी जो मेन प्रॉपर्टीज थी एयर की वो क्या है बेटा? नंबर 1, इट ऑक्यूपाइज स्पेस. It occupies space. Okay. Second property is your it has weight. Second property is beta it has weight. And the number third one property is your it exerts pressure. Its main property it exert pressure. ये क्या करते हैं? प्रेशर भी आपके क्या करते हैं? एक्सर्ट करते हैं. सिंपल बेटा. दिस इज आंसर ऑफ द क्वेश्चन नंबर थर्ड. Now read the question number 4. Sorry, second question का आंसर था आपका. Now read the question number 3. What is evaporation? A simple definition: evaporation is that process in which liquids change into vapors by heating. So write the definition of the evaporation, beta. What is evaporation? Evaporation. Evaporation is a process in which water change into water vapors. Water change into water vapors by heating is called, sorry, यहाँ पे ऑपरेशन ही मत कीजिए. यहाँ पे इसको थोड़ा लेंथी करते हैं. इट इज अ प्रोसेस in which water change into water vapors by heating is called evaporation. That process is called evaporation. Simple beta. Now write the question number 4. What is the question number 4? Read the question 4. Differentiate between soluble and insoluble impurities. You have to differentiate between soluble and insoluble impurities. So first of all, right here soluble impurities and make a line. In this line we write insoluble impurities. Insoluble impurities. Okay beta, easy, take it easy. Your first point is those impurities, ठीक है, those impurities that dissolve in, आपके impurities that dissolve in water is called soluble impurities. Is called soluble impurities. Okay. And the second point is your, for example, salt and sugar. ठीक है, for example salt and sugar. And in this case you write the first point is those impurities that cannot dissolve in water is called insoluble impurities. Okay beta, and the second point is your, for example, leaf, tea leaves, etc. Here answer of the question 4 is complete. Okay, now come to the next question beta. Question number 5th. Answer of question 5th. Read your question 5th. Explain the different layer of the atmosphere. What are the main different layer of the atmosphere? You have to define them. So you can write here. What is the question? Explain the different layer of the atmosphere. There are 5 layers in atmosphere. Number 1, troposphere. Second is your beta stratosphere. Third one is your beta mesosphere. Fourth one is your beta thermosphere. And the fifth one is your exosphere. Okay bacha, question number 5 is also complete. Now question number 6. Take the marker. Answer number 6. Okay beta, answer number 6. First of all, read the question. Describe distillation beta. What is distillation? Explain 2 ways used for purifying water at homes. Beta, these 2 questions are done in the next video. Okay beta, bye bye beta. Write only these 5 questions. Okay beta, thank you beta.